Today is Saturday, February 1st, 2020. I was hoping to have the floor done in January. Didn't happen. Interruptions. So, oh well, that's okay. It's the 1st. It's still almost January, right? Anyhow, so it is 63 degrees in here. I had kept my little heater on last night to keep it warm enough to work in here this morning. Got my fast food socks on today. Got drinks and popcorn and tacos and etc. So I don't know what's wrong with me. This becomes a crazy sock video for some reason. Okay, so I'm gonna repair the one board that I messed up over here. Actually, not repair it, just cut a new board. And the rest of the board can still be used for this section. Get all this crap out of here. Oh my gosh, there's so much junk in here. Most of it is just construction junk and stuff that I keep moving around to get out of the way. And of course, get all those wood pieces out of the bathroom. Just kind of threw them back there to get them out of the way for now. Have some more underlayment over there to put on the floor, and let's get started. Have my extension cords out here, my little Dremel Ultra Saw, and my work table. I bought that work table for 20 bucks, and I have gotten a lot of use out of it. I have noticed the sound quality on my videos is kind of low on this phone. I use the phone for convenience, and it's quicker to grab and quicker to use. So I have hooked up my Rode mic to it, and I have set up a tripod with a U-grip on it, so I can set it all up, and we'll see if that improves my audio. Alrighty, it's fixed now. I'm glad I did it. I was trying to, make a little cheater piece, but no, that wasn't gonna work. This is much better. And of course you put a little baseboard area over that, so none of that will show. Oh, perfect. So now we are going to start on this section. Yay! Yippee! Oh gosh. Okay, I measured across the aisleway, and it is 21.5 inches. I'm going to cut each board individually, of course, and fit it as I go along in case there's discrepancies along the way. And I can get 2 cuts per board. So that'll work. Awesomes! Yay! Let's get busy. To click lock it, I'm using this edge towards the bathroom and the short edge towards the kitchen. Perfect. All right. Okay, let's get to cutting some more. I will be cutting this one just a tad longer for a little tighter fit, but you don't want the fit to get too light because you want to allow room for expansion and contraction. And the blue tape, it's better to cover what you're going to cut so that you don't get chipped edges. I didn't do one edge on one of my boards, and I got a little bit of chips, but it's at a seam where it's black, so I think I just take like a marker and mark it and call it a day on that one. Okay, I cut a couple cheater tapping pieces. Stuck to my foot with tape. Okay, get the mallet. Get my little bar here. Step over here. Okay. Put my little cheater pieces right here. I'm just using them for tapping into, because I'm using a thing here, a little divider thing that will that will have to be used when I'm finished. These boards are not clicked in yet. I'm just cutting and laying them down. I will click them in when I get a few more cut, but I'm paying attention to what I'm doing, and I realized you don't lay the same. Of course, you get 2 cuts out of 1 board, so do not lay the 2 cuts side by side. Stagger them. That way you get different patterns. Otherwise, you're going to have 2 patterns of this one, and the 2 patterns of that one stuck together, and it's not going to look as good. It's going to look a bit odd that way. Okay, I have several pieces pre-cut, fit to size. Okay. It'll lay flat once I pop it. Oop. You're supposed to lay against those. There we go. Okay, something didn't go quite right with that piece. Let's pop it back. There we go. Just didn't pop in right. Look, I like the different direction. It actually probably adds a little bit of width to this aisle. Okay, I'm going to continue on. I have some more underlayment to lay down on this end, and then I can call this part of the floor finished. I still have to get my center strips, the little strips that you put in through here, but that doesn't have to be done today. Okay, all my pieces are cut. Cool. Which is good because my Dremel blade is like enough already. I'm done. And it was a new blade, but this wood is actually fairly thick. So, and it's a little bit hard on the Dremel blade. And that's a Dremel Ultra Saw, not a regular Dremel. So we are going to, sawdust. Get everything finished. Okie dokie. Woohoo! We have a floor. Yes, yes, yes. Oh my gosh. The floor is basically finished. Just have to put in my divider pieces. How's the transition look? I kind of like it. Alrighty. Yes. Oh my gosh. The moment I've been waiting for so long. Okay, so I'm going to clean up, sweep the floor, and get my corrugated metal all situated up front in the RV, and hopefully, with any luck, we will get that done tomorrow. Okay, so this project took 7 boxes. I have 2.5 planks left. At about $20 a box, so really, it's really an inexpensive project. Of course, it's only a 28-foot RV, and I did not lay this in the bathroom, so that saves. I'm putting linoleum in the bathroom, and I can't seem to finish a sentence to save my life today. And the underlayment, I think it was about $40. $40 or $45, somewhere around there. But and I ran out just like I needed like 2 foot more, but I found some old stuff that I used, so that works too. So again, thank you for watching. Thank you for your support, your words of wisdom, your kindness, your understanding, and the fact that you can make it through these videos, because I think they're kind of boring, but it's, you know, it is what it is. It's what my life is right now. It's kind of boring. So I will catch y'all later, and live the life you love. Bye.